Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at my Crayola brand Sidewalk chalk. So you can see these are real Crayola Sidewalk chalk. You can see the logo for the brand on there. And I like that it's the Crayola brand because it comes with these really super vibrant colors. And also, you know, it's going to be washable and not damage surfaces or anything like that. And you can see these have gotten a lot of use in here. I like to keep them in this clear bin outside, and you can see some of the drawings you get with it. A lot of great rainbows happening here, and I can draw some too. This is even great, you know, for adults, big people as well, because you know, people like to draw hopeful messages on the ground around their communities. It's something that you can put out and have neighbors use if your community allows that. And cleanup is super easy with it. You just spray it down with a hose, and this comes off and doesn't stain surfaces. Again, really good to have the Crayola brand for that. All these different vibrant colors. We've got blues, we've got yellows, we've got reds, and it just holds up really well. It doesn't get too much. I got a bit on my hands here, but it's easy to wash it off, and just super fun for the whole family to use. So that's the Crayola Sidewalk chalk.